Up YouTube, doing a little diagnostic thing on a Volvo S70 1999 turbo. This is a 2.4 turbo. Well, this is my boss's car. Yeah, this car came in, surging idle, no check engine light, no direction, surging idle, going up and down, RPMs going to 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000. Once again, no check engine light. Got a turbo leak right there. You know where that's from, folks. That is from turbo bearings, or seals, I'm sorry, leaking oil. Because turbo has oil ports, you know, oil cooler and stuff like that. Alright, YouTube. Now the problem with this, when this car gets old, is this throttle. It's called the electronic throttle body. It's a little tip for you mechanics watching my page. Usually you could fix these with a carbon buildup. I already cleaned it out and you know, did what I can. Now if you take a look at the throttle body, the thing gets stuck. Okay, there's some kind of mechanism inside. Some people call it the throttle motor. Has an IAC motor built in it, you know, TPS, all that, you know, that messes with your trans. Now look. Now if it's a good throttle, even in wide open throttle, it's supposed to snap back and close. But you see here, stuck open. Alright, y'all, YouTubers on my page. This is 1999 Volvo. Once again, 2.4. Right there. At idle, it surges. At red lights, it stops. RPMs go up and down, surging. Alrighty, thank you for watching.